Here we are changing the door handle of a Mazda Protege. This one happens to be a 2003. Specifically, this is the rear right passenger door handle. They're all a little different, so you got to make sure you buy the right one. One simple screw to start with. Phillips screw comes out. Carefully grab the plastic pieces and pull. That's it. There's a piece there left. That's part of the old door handle. There is a
retaining clip.
Yeah, you go ahead.
There's a retaining clip, so you just don't try to pull this out like to fight here. This horizontal piece is comes out, and so you just leave it like that. You see what I'm saying? It's way easier.
So you pull it towards you, and then you can lift it off. Now, here we have the new door handle. The retaining clip is included on the new door handle, right there. And so, first you attach it.
Now you want to be careful because you don't want to drop it in there. So, notice the retaining clip has a C on it for the horizontal piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in on the vertical part first and then rotate it around so that C clip. Right, so just so I have more room to work with, I'm going to grab a pair of pliers here. Yep, there's the vertical piece. Now I just rotate it around. Clip is on. The part comes with a little tag. You can leave it on there. And so we got the clip goes into that hole right there. It's where the retaining clip was. When you buy it, that's where the retaining clip was sitting. So I pulled it out to put it in there. So now I'm just going to sit the whole thing in there to get a little room to work. I'm going to pull it out. Grab with pliers. Push down. There we go. It clicks. I don't know if you heard it. Okay, now there's a front horn here which goes in that hole right there. A little hole in there, a little square. This little horn, see, it's got to go in there. So if you just put it in, you're not going to put it in the horn. So it's kind of a little trick to, you actually kind of pull on the handle. That lets you tip it. Put it in the horn so it goes in. We're in, and we're almost done. Now when you put this screw in there, remember it goes